7-acre shop guy here again. Just happened to snag a few trout this morning, and I don't particularly like trout. I love to catch them, but I really don't like to eat them. So I worked long and hard to find a way that I would enjoy these fish as table fare, and I finally found one. And I want to show you how I clean them and how I cook them. I've had several friends and family that have tried this and they like it, so hope you enjoy it. First of all, you got a trout. Now this is a pair of spring-loaded, basically it's just scissors. They're West Snip, stainless steel, and we're going to clean this trout. The scissors go right in the anal opening. And cut them right straight up out their mouth. Then you're going to take this scissor and cut right behind the fin, behind their gills, right to the top of the gill slot. And what that does is it releases the gill plates so that you can get them out. A little blood. And then the other side. You want to make sure and get those gills out because those gills will start to deteriorate quickly. And there you go. One clean trout. It's as easy as that. Now to cook them, I prefer an open fire. You can marinate these. I just use salt and pepper and maybe some blackened seasoning myself, my preference. You get one of these, I think I bought this actually at Walmart. It's a rack. It'll cook 3 or 4 fish. Slips right in. Clamps down and right on an open fire. And the old adage, which I got from an old timer up in northern Wisconsin, is when the eyes pop, the trout's done. Makes me hungry just thinking about it. When the fish is cooked and done, the eyes have popped and you're all ready to go. You get this out of the cooker and put it on the plate. Just peel off the skin from the flesh, and you can take a fork and you can rake the flesh right off of the main rib cage and spine, and then you can get right a hold of that bone, that spinal bone, and lift the whole skeleton right out, and all you've got left is trout. All the little bones are gone. It's beautiful. So easy to do. This can be done with bluegills, crappies. Remember to get out the gills. I don't know if you want to try it with a catfish, but probably maybe a smaller northern pike or a walleye, and you can cook them right on an open fire. It's great around the campsite. 7-acre shop guy saying, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, subscribe on YouTube and like us on Facebook. See you next time.